Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find and how to turn off high contrast mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. To turn off high contrast mode, we need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here, and in visibility enhancements at the top, as you can see, we have display mode. Right now we have high contrast enabled. To turn it off, we can simply go back to default and tap apply. As you can see, when we select these modes, we have short explanation what it will do. So high contrast is here, dark mode, high contrast fonts, high contrast keyboard, remove animations, etc. But now we are in default mode and every other option is turned off. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.